The sounds of summer, my air conditioner going, beautiful sky. The deck looks good. I'm not going through my lights and everything. I'm standing out here. I watered the plants and stuff because they have to be watered. It's cooler on the deck, but it is still hot. I am sweating, so I won't be doing anything. I have all lights to go through. I have a few more lights to get out, and we'll decide what we're going to do with the lights, and I will show you in the live stream tonight what I'm going to be doing with them. And I want to check the temperature right now, and it is at right here in the sun. It says 110 degrees. This is what the thermometer says. This is in the sun. So it's about 100 or so today. I think we broke a record. We will get to this probably Thursday. The heat wave's going to break. And the grass won't be cut today because of the weather. It's too much for me. I'm going to take it easy. So I just wanted to get out here and show you what's going on. And all my plants were watered. My garden is taking off. I watered everything where it was wilting. It's coming back. And they will get watered tonight. And I will explain in the video to water your plants and your lawn after sunset or just before. So in the east coast or in the west coast, the sun's setting around 8 o'clock. So if you water your grass, the full cycle of your grass around 5:30, 6 o'clock, whatever, and it finishes it takes about an hour or 2, 3 hours to think. You should end it about 8 o'clock or so, and you can see the birds flying around. That will help. It will soak in. You don't have the constant beating of the water on your lawn. It can burn your lawn. So I suggest people not to do that. Do not, I repeat, do not water your lawn in mid-afternoon around 1:30 to 3 o'clock. Do it after 4:30, 5 o'clock p.m. And in the morning around 3:30, 4 o'clock, just before sunrise. And the water will seep into the ground, and you water it the next night at the same time so you don't get the fungus and get the lawn to dry out. So I will see you all in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you soon. This is Lawn and Garden Tuesday. There'll be 3 or 4 videos. I hope you watch them.